Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to share with you guys, we don't know how good we're going to do. We're going to try it out. We have been getting a lot of bycatch blue crabs inside of our stone crab traps, which if you're a stone crabber, you know that our traps are in the wrong spot. So, well, what we've been doing is we keep moving them, right? But we've been marking those spots because there's a lot of blue crab there. And we got our license for blue crab. We got us some blue crab traps, and we're out here setting them today. And we wanted to share with you, if you want to get started on trying to get some blue crabs, they're delicious, by the way, what you need to do. So what we did is we went to the gooutdoors.com, the FWC website. We added these blue crab traps to our current license that we have, and you get 5 traps that you could use. And so the trap, when you get the traps, you got to put your name and number, and we've put them here in the front, and your trap number. You'll get the same as stone crab. You're going to get a trap number, and those numbers are yours. They don't change, and it's a sequence of 1 through 5, right? So you label your trap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a number. What we've done is, because we're in an area that's got a lot of current and there's a lot of boat traffic, we wanted to kind of weight these down. So if you're a blue crabber and you're watching this, let us know if we did it correctly or if there's a better way to do it. What we did is we've taken some pavers, and if you kind of look in here, and we've used these real heavy duty zip ties, and we put 3 of them on there kind of to weight this trap down, with the hopes that the current doesn't kind of move it, and then it becomes a little bit difficult to find right on the GPS. So we've got a rope, and where to buy these traps. Let me take a step back before I go forward. We bought these at Atlantic and Gulf here in Miami, but you can look at any of your outdoor stores and they'll have these for you. We've got our rope attached to it, and if you see the coil here, what we've done is where we're going to set them today is pretty shallow. So we've coiled up the rest of the rope with a zip tie, and what this does is it prevents all your rope from being laying on top of the water, and when a boat is coming by, this rope floats and a boat can hit it. And what we've done in the back half of the rope is we've put 2 leads. Highly recommend that you guys put the lead on there. And what we do with the traps, we do what we're going to do with the stone crab traps, is we just put 2 zip ties through the rope. You open it up like this. You can zoom in here so they can see. We put the zip tie through it so the lead won't move, right? The commercial guys, they're going to mash this up so it won't slide on the rope. But we're moving these a lot where we have the traps, and so we anticipate that we might have to move these a lot. Sometimes we're in shallower water, sometimes we're in deeper water, so we're going to break these tie wraps off, slide the lead accordingly to the depth of the water, and then we're going to put the tie straps on it again so it won't move. So what we've done on these is we've put 2. We have 1 on all of our stone crab traps, but we put 2 on these. These are really, really light traps. We're worried that if a boat propeller hits it, it's not going to be enough tension on the rope to cut it off. This trap will lift up and hit the boat propeller. Probably won't even cut it off. So we've put 2 leads to really get this rope tied down in the current. And the other thing, now if you come up here, these traps pretty cool. They have a little door up here. You kind of open it and you stuff it full of your bait. Today we got some fresh ballyhoos that we caught on our last trip that we're using for our reef trip. So we're going to stuff these with that fresh ballyhoo, and then we're going to come back and see how it does. Give it a go. Let me know how it works out for you guys.